Mabuhay! Good day everyone, welcome to Abroad. I'm Angeline Salangog and today I proudly represent the Career Airline Food Service Staff and Tourism and Hospitality industry. Behind every comfortable flight experience is a hardworking team that prepare and service quality meals for passengers. Airline food service staff are responsible for preparing, organizing, and delivering food with proper hygiene and professionalism and also excellent customer service. I choose this career because I enjoy food service, hospitality, and I believe that serving good food with care can passengers feel comfortable, satisfied during their journey. This job also teaching discipline, teamwork, cleanliness, and also patience that are very important in their hospitality industry. As a hospitality management student, I know that I need to improve my culinary skills, communication skills, and knowledge about international food safety standard to become more prepared in this profession. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy your flight with us.